Hello, my crafty friends. I hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. Today, I'm excited to announce the winner for the Shabby-Ween YouTube Hop. I'd like to first thank our hostess, Kimmy from Salty Beach Scrapper, for organizing this. Kimmy, you did a great job, and I had so much fun participating in this YouTube Hop. I'd also like to thank our collaborators for creating such fun Shabby-Ween projects and for providing wonderful gifts on their channels. And last but not least, I'd like to thank our new and existing amazing subscribers. Thank you so much for leaving your wonderful, kind, and supportive comments. I always look forward to hearing from you. As a reminder, my channel giveaway is a $25 online gift card to ASC Craft Supplies. And the winner is Night Angel 0515. Once again, the winner is Night Angel 0515. Congratulations once again to our winner, Night Angels 0515. Please be sure to contact me within 72 hours to claim your prize. I will provide my contact information in the description box below. There are even more opportunities to win fun prizes. All you have to do is visit each of the channels in this participating hop to see if you're a winner. Thanks so much for participating in the Shabby-Ween YouTube Hop. Hopefully you had as much fun as I did. Thanks so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Bye for now, and happy crafting.